Samsung's chip manufacturing business is not doing good, and poor yields is partially to blame. Even with the Galaxy S25 series, they switched entirely to Snapdragon this year. Though Exynos is expected to return with the S26 series, a merger between Samsung's LSI and Foundry divisions is getting increasingly likely. The issue with Samsung LSI, the chip design arm, runs so deep that reports suggest that a merger between Samsung LSI and other division, most likely the foundries, might happen. The initial rumors suggest that Samsung is planning to merge Samsung MX, the mobile experience, and LSI, but the latest development is pointing out to the Foundry LSI merger instead. A South Korean news outlet says that during an internal meeting at the company, three possible scenarios were discussed: merger LSI with MX, merger LSI into Foundry, or massively restructure LSI. According to people familiar, said a merger with Foundry was favored, but no final decision was made yet. It's very interesting to note that LSI and Foundry were once under Samsung DS, that is Device Solutions, but they were separated back in 2017 to reduce the chance of conflict of interest with other Samsung Foundry clients like Nvidia and Qualcomm.